Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dispenser control board on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a small flathead screwdriver to release the tabs so you can detach the control board. Depress the tab to disconnect the wire connector. Install the new dispenser control board by first connecting the wire connector. Insert the upper tabs into the slots in the housing and snap the bottom of the control board into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.